So the past few days we've been learning about pendulums and how different weights on the bobs affects them and how high and low it affects the swings.
The most interesting thing is that at certain angles that you put the pendulum, it has a different number of swings.
Today we did an experiment on pendulums where we went outside and went on the swings and swung, and we saw how different people made the different swings change. And so we timed all of us for 60 seconds, and it was a fun experiment.
I think my favorite part was probably getting on the swing and swinging, because you didn't want to go too high and you didn't want to go too low, and you had to go in the middle, and you had to keep that same pace the entire time, and it was really fun to just be on the swings.